Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ayurveda Lifestyle. So I thought in today's video I would show you how I make a very simple Ayurvedic drink which actually helps with weight loss. Now it's very easy, the ingredients are very simple and it really is effective, and you end up with a beautiful, as you can see here, drink. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, like and share, particularly if you've enjoyed the video at the end, and let's get going. Right, so here we are by the hob and I have my ingredients to hand here. So what you'll need to do first is take a saucepan with a spoon, and I'm going to just have a cup of water. Depends how much water you want to drink that evening. I would recommend actually having this in the evening rather than the morning. And so we'll take our water and we'll just place it into the saucepan. Then I've got my teaspoon here and I'm just going to put the hob on, and I'm just going to have first of all some ground ginger. All these ingredients are anti-inflammatory and are absolutely fantastic. Great for speeding up the metabolism, which will help reduce weight and help with weight loss, as well as antioxidants. Now you can have as much as you like, but I tend to go for around 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I'll just place that in, just a tiny bit more. So 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. Then I'm going to take some turmeric here, and I'm going to have 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric. As I say, if you want to add in more, it depends on how much you like turmeric, but I'm just going to add just 1/4 teaspoon. As I said, I'm using powdered because it's very easy, it's always in the store cupboard, but if you want to buy fresh and use fresh ginger and turmeric, perfectly great as well. Now because we've added the turmeric, you always have to add some black peppercorns, because if you just drink turmeric without black peppercorns, it doesn't actually absorb into the bloodstream so well. So by using the peppercorns, it actually helps with the activation, if you like, of the turmeric. So we're just going to add just a little bit here, and then we're just going to just give that a little stir. Now I'm also going to add some lemon. Again, great for weight loss, and I just love it anyway, and it just gives a bit of zestiness. So good for you. Vitamin C. Also, this is great if you feel like you're coming down with a cold. Just this before you go to bed is amazing. And then the last ingredient I'm going to use, which you don't have to, but I like to use it, is cayenne pepper. It's quite spicy, so a little bit goes a long way, but I really would recommend if you can add some cayenne pepper, fantastic. So again, I'm not going to have too much of this because it is extremely spicy. And just 1/4 teaspoon. And then you just want to stir it all together. Now, because I'm having this in the evening, I would probably have my evening meal, leave it for a couple of hours just to settle. Then I would make this drink. Then I would drink. We're going to boil it, and then we're going to just let it cool down. Then I would drink the drink. I would have it before I go to bed, but don't have it just before you go to sleep, because obviously you do need to clean your teeth after you've actually taken this drink. Otherwise you're going to end up with lovely stained yellow teeth in the evening, so next morning. So it's really important to just make sure that you actually clean your teeth and don't have this as the very last thing, basically. So once that's actually dissolved, as I say, it's almost at boiling point. We don't want it to actually boil, but we just want a really nice good simmer, if you like. It's now ready. Now if you want to, you could at this point add a bit of honey in as well, so it would dissolve in, but personally I'd rather just leave the honey out. Then we take our cup and just pour it. You can see here, you can see the colour, it's lovely. As I say, great for weight loss, great for the immunity system, and actually a very warming drink on a cold winter's day. So there we are. This is our evening drink. Again, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, like and share. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Oh, leave a comment down below if you've used this drink as well and tell me what you think. Okay, bye.